This video tutorial I will explain what is the difference between Wi-Fi and Ethernet. What is Wi-Fi? Using Wi-Fi, you can connect to the internet without wires. Your device uses radio signals to talk to the Wi-Fi router. You can move around your home or office and still stay connected. What is Ethernet? Ethernet uses physical cable to connect your device to the internet. One end of the cable goes into your computer or laptop, and the other end of the cable goes into the router. Ethernet is a wired connection. What are the main differences between Wi-Fi and Ethernet? Ethernet is usually faster than Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is fast enough for normal tasks like browsing, streaming, or video calls. But Ethernet gives more stable and higher speed. Ethernet is more stable because it uses cable. Wi-Fi can lose signal if you are far away from the router or if there are walls or other devices in the way. Wi-Fi is more convenient because there are no wires. With Wi-Fi, you can move around freely with your phone or laptop. Ethernet is less flexible because your device must stay near the cable. Ethernet is more secure because it is harder for others to access a wired network. Wi-Fi can be less secure unless you use a strong password and encryption. Wi-Fi is easy to set up, no cables needed. Ethernet requires a cable and your device must have an Ethernet port. Choose Wi-Fi if you want mobility, easy setup and no cables. Choose Ethernet if you want faster speed, better stability and stronger security. If you are watching videos, browsing or using your phone, then Wi-Fi is enough. If you are gaming, working from home or uploading large files, Ethernet is better. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.